Jai Hind friends, before starting today's test, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel to get notification of upcoming videos. I hope these videos will be helpful in your preparation. So let's start test to know the level of your preparation for civil services IS exam. So the first question is which one of the following parts of the pitcher plant becomes modifies into a pitcher? Option A is stem, option B is leaf, option C is stipule, option D is petioles. So comment your answer. You are watching our YouTube channel, that is MK General Studies. If you are new on these channels, please do subscribe the channel. Next question, in the human body, which structure is the cecum attached to? I repeat again, in the human body, which structure is the cecum attached to? Option A, the large intestine, option B, the small intestine, option C, the gallbladder, and option D is the stomach. Comment your answer. Next question, which one of the following is not a digestive enzyme in the human system? Option A, trypsin, option B, gastrin, option C, ptyalin, option D, pepsin. Comment your answer. Next question, how do most insects respire? How do most insects respire? Option A, through skin, option B, through gills, option C, by lungs, option D, by tracheal system. Comment your answer. Next question, consider the following statement. In a nuclear reactor, self-sustained chain reaction is possible because number 1, more neutrons are released in each of the fission reaction. Second, the neutrons immediately take part in the fission process. Third, the fast neutrons are slowed down by graphite. Option 4, every neutrons released in the fission reaction initiate further fission. So it was fourth statement. So which of the above are correct? Option A, 1, 2 and 3. So here, there should be a 2, not 3. Here option 2, sentence 2 should be there. Okay. B, 1 and 3, C, 2 and 4, D, 2, 3 and 4. Next question, comment your answer. Before go through the next question, consider the following organizations. Number 1, Atomic Mineral Directorate for Research and Exploration. Second, Heavy Water Board. Third, Indian Rare Earth Limited. Fourth, Uranium Corporation of India. So which of these are under the Department of Atomic Energy? Option A, 1 only, option B, 1 and 4, option C, 2, 3 and 4, option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So comment your answer. Next question, consider the following statement. Number 1, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, an Indian born geologist, was awarded Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983. Second statement, in his honor the Chandra X-ray telescope has been named. This is very important question. Which of the above are correct? Option A, 1 only, option B, 2 only, option C, both 1 and 2, option D, neither 1 nor 2. Comment your answer. Next question, with reference to Indian satellite and their launchers, consider the following statement. Statement number 1, all the INSAT series of satellites were launched aboard. Statement 2, PSLVs were used to launch IRS series of satellites. Statement 3, India used the indigenously built cryogenic engines for the first time for powering the third stage of GSLV. And statement 4 is GSAT launched in the year of 2001 has payloads to demonstrate digital broadcast and internet services. So which of these statements are correct? Option A 1, 2, 3 and 4, option B 2, 3 and 4, option C 1, 2 and 4, and option D 1 and 3. So comment your answer. Next question, consider the following statements. India launched its first full-fledged meteorological satellite, that is METSAT, in September 2002. Second statement, for the first time the space vehicle PSLV C4 carried a payload of more than 1000 kg into a geosynchronous orbit. Which of the above is are correct? Option A only 1, option B only 2, option C both 1 and 2, and option D is neither 1 nor 2. Comment your answer. Next question, that is 10 number questions. In India, inflation is measured by, repeat again, in India inflation is measured by, option A wholesale price index number, option B consumers price index for urban non-manual workers, option C consumers price index for agricultural workers, and option D national income deflation. Comment your answer. Next question is, the sum of which of the following constitutes broad money in India? I repeat again, the sum of which of the following constitutes broad money in India? Currency with public, demand deposits with bank, time deposits with banks, other deposit with RBI. So choose the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A 1 and 2, option B 1, 2 and 3, option C 1, 2, 3 and 4, option D 1, 2 and 4. Comment your answer. Next question, a redistribution of income in a country can be best brought about through, option A progressive taxation combined with progressive expenditure, B progressive taxation combined with regressive expenditure, option C regressive taxation combined with the regressive expenditure, and option D is regressive taxation combined with the progressive expenditure. So comment your answer. Next question, consider the following statement. Article 301, that is 301, pertains to the right of property. Second, right to property is a legal right but not a fundamental right. And statement 3, Article 300A was inserted in the Constitution by the 44th Amendment Act by the Jadda government at the center. So which of the statement given above is are correct? Option A 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and D 1, 2 and 3. So comment your answer. Very important question. So next question, consider the following events. Number 1, fourth general election in India. Second, formation of Haryana state. 3, Mysore name as Karnataka state. 4, Meghalaya and Tripura become full states. So which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the above? That is option number A 2, 1, 4, 3, option number B 4, 3, 2, 1, option number C 2, 3, 4, 1, option number D 4, 1, 2, 3. So you have to set the chronological order of the above statements, right? Above events given in statements. So comment your answer. Next question, that is question number 15. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Which one of the following statement is not correct? Option A, in Lok Sabha, a no confidence motion has to set out the ground on which it is based. Option B, in the case of a no confidence motion in Lok Sabha, no conditions of admissibility have been laid down in the rules. Option C, a motion of no confidence once admitted has to be taken up within 10 days of the leave being granted. And option D is Rajya Sabha is not empowered to entertain a motion of no confidence. So comment your answer, which is the very important question is here. So next question, question number 16. With reference to Indian Parliament, which one of the following is not correct? Again important question is here. All questions are very important, but some of them are very important. The appropriation bill must be passed by both the houses of parliament before it can be enacted into law. Option B, no money shall be withdrawn from the Consolidated Fund of India except under the appropriation made by the Appropriations Act. Option C, finance bill is required for the proposing new taxes, but no another bill or act is required for making changes in the rates of taxes which are already under operation. And option D is no money bill can be introduced except on the recommendation of the president. So comment your answer. So next question is 17 number question. The power to enlarge the jurisdictions of the Supreme Court of India with respect to any matter included in Union list of legislative power reset with option A, the President of India, option B, the Chief Justice of India, option C, the Parliament, option D, the Union Ministry of Law, Justice and Company Affairs. So comment your answer. You are watching MK General Studies YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel for new notification. So next question is question number 18. So this is the question number 18 actually, not 17. This is the question number 18. So consider the following statement. The total number of migratory fauna from India comes to 457 species. Birds comprises 83%, that is 380 species. Zoological Survey of India had for the first time compiled the list of migratory species of India under the CMS before the Conference of Parties, that is COP13. Dolphins are the second highest group of mammals with 9 migratory species of dolphins listed. So which of the above is are correct? Option number A 1, 2 and 4, option B 1 and 3, option C 2, 3 and 4, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. So comment your answer. This is also very important question is here. So related this topic, definitely question will be asked in the examinations. So next question is question number 19. So this is the question number 19. Consider following protected areas, that is Bandipur, Bhitarkanika, Manas and Sundarbans. So which of the above is are correct? Option A 1, 2 only, option B 1, 3 and 4 only, option C 2, 3 and 4 only, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. So comment your answer. So next question, that is question number 20. So question number 20, the term arms strips is in the context of option A captive breeding of the leopards, maintenance of tiger reserves, indigenous satellite navigation system, that is option C, and option D security of national highways. So comment your answer. One of the very important question is here. One more question for you, that is question number 21. In which of the following regions of India are you most likely to come across the great Indian hornbill in its natural habitat? Option A, sand desert of the northwest India. Option B, higher Himalaya of Jammu and Kashmir. Option C, salt marshes of western Gujarat. And option D is Western Ghat. Okay, so comment your answer. I hope you have submitted all the comments of all questions. These questions are very important, and practicing such questions shows how your studies is going on. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next day.